Hello, this is a recorded demo of how to use our application and as a user in the system. First, we made our application and published it on Expo, since publishing to the Apple or Google Store had fees, but Expo allowed us to do it for free and easily test it on phones. So we're gonna open up Expo. This is my account. In my account, you see under published projects, we have Keeping Moms and Infant Healthy project. So we're gonna open up that app. It's gonna take me straight into the home page, since the code already knows that I have signed in this phone, so it takes me automatically into my account. In here, in our first page, we see programs available. We have so far the information provided, which is Women, Infant and Children, the WIC program. We have Medicaid, and we have pregnancy help. So here we have the title, the body description, contact information, and links to two different websites provided. You can also click on the clinic screen that takes you to the clinic feature all the way at the bottom right. For the second screen feature, we have sexually transmitted diseases. This information is gathered from the CDC. The information is general, and most of it is targeting pregnant women for information specifically with those details in mind. Once you click on the STD, it's gonna come up with information using a model view, and here you can see the information. Right now the language is default to English, but it does translate automatically into the English version if you have a different language set. So that's the scrollable STDs. You can always add more and more based on the CDC website. Here we have the profile view. In the profile view, you have a picture upload option. You have little inputs for first name, middle name, last name, birthday, phone number, pregnancy, how old is your infant, and notifications if you want it weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. These are the three flags where you can click the different flags to change the language, and all these options are gathered from the Firebase database, and you can always change your picture by clicking on it. At the top, you can see the first option, which is documents. Once you click in documents, it takes you to the document view. Here you can add documents by clicking the add option. Clicking the picture, you can take a picture or upload one from your gallery and give the name to that picture. It's gonna become a list that's scrollable, and you can tap on the picture and delete it. So let's go back to the profile. The other option is to sign out, but I'm gonna show you that after I finish showing all the features inside. So let's go to classes available. Here the information provided was put into breastfeeding classes that are available. Here in Miami, there's two options. First, we have the title, the cost, then the description, if they have a schedule, and the address or information that you can contact. You can also click on the website for that company to go and see and get more information there. So you have parenting classes, same ordeal. You have child classes and tours. All of this information is translated based on language, but right now English is the default. Lastly, we have the map feature. It's gonna take a second to open up, and it's gonna show the available clinics in your area based on provided information. As you can see, you have your location, and then you have clinics that you can click and obtain the address of. In the top left corner, that's the caregiver, the nurse practitioner option. If we tap that, it's gonna take us to local nurse practitioners that can upload their information to be contacted by the user if they have questions or need help. So let's go back, and let's go back to profile. Here in profile, I'm gonna show you the sign out feature. So we're gonna sign out, and this is what the person that opens the app for the first time will see. They're gonna be asked what language they prefer. It's instantly translated using Microsoft translation tools. So let's go with English, or let's go with Spanish. Here we have a slide tutorial on how the app looks or works. Then we're gonna slide left and say we're ready. Here you're gonna have a new mother register. You can go there to register. It looks similar to the profile view, and once you click register, it's gonna bring you back here and send a code based on your phone number. Since I already am registered, we're gonna put my phone number down, and the code that's sent to my phone, I put it to 1 so it's easy to test. We're gonna go inside the app. It's gonna take a second, and we're back into our profile. Here the information should be pulled from the database, so you can have your profile with your information based on your phone number and the code you enter, and it should also pull the language. But we had problems with the Firebase and pulling the information from the database, so that's why it doesn't pull my chosen language or information and it stays blank. But that's a future feature that could be worked on. But that's basically the demo tutorial on how the app and the software looks as a user and how to operate inside it, the features it has, and that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.